Hi students, welcome back to our FOE class. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a great time. So before we start with our lesson, let's have a review of the previous topic that we discussed last week. Can you tell me what it was all about? You're right, it was dinosaurs. In the previous lesson, we learned that dinosaurs are grouped by food and by habitat. Grouped by food, these are the egg eaters, plant eaters, and meat eaters. Grouped by habitat, air dinosaurs, land dinosaurs, and underwater dinosaurs. I want you to open your workbook on page 4 and let's check the activity that you answered. So the instruction is match the questions and answers. You're going to write your answer in the box below. Number 1 was already answered for you. What did plant eaters eat? The answer is letter E, plants. Number 2, which dinosaurs ate meat? What's your answer? Letter A, meat eaters. Number 3, where did air dinosaurs live? The answer is C, in trees. 4, which dinosaurs lived in water? 4 is letter F. Number 5, what did egg eaters eat? The answer for number 5 is letter B, eggs. And 6, where did land dinosaurs live? The correct answer is letter D, on land. So please count your scores. The perfect score is 5/5. So please write the score that you got on your book. Okay, so this is our lesson for this week. You can find it in your student's book on page 5. The title, There Were Many Dinosaurs. So I want you to take a look at the 2 pictures on your book. What do you see? Okay. So there are dinosaurs in the picture. Now I want you to listen and number the pictures. Complete the sentences. So later on, I'm going to read some sentences or 2 sentences, and I want you to number which picture it is. Number 1, in the Jurassic period, there were many dinosaurs. In the Jurassic period, there were many dinosaurs. Please number picture 1 or picture 2. Number 2, it was hot in the Jurassic period. It was hot in the Jurassic period. Alright, which is number 1? First picture or second picture? Okay, picture 1. In the Jurassic period, there were many dinosaurs. And picture 2, number 2. It was hot in the Jurassic period. Very good. Now, can you complete the sentences under the pictures? There are or there were blank. Second picture, it is or it was blank. Okay, so let me repeat the 2 sentences. Number 1, in the Jurassic period, there were many dinosaurs. Please write your answer in the blank. Second sentence, It was hot in the Jurassic period. It was hot in the Jurassic period. You can just circle your answer and then complete the sentence. I want you to also take a look at the rules down below. Let's read. Use there were and it was for the past. So when we're talking about an action or something that has happened in the past, like yesterday, last week, last month, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, we use was and were. Was is for singular or one noun, and were is for plural, 2 or more subjects, 2 or more nouns. What about there are and it is? So we use there are and it is for now. So this is the answer. There were many dinosaurs. And second sentence, it was hot in the Jurassic period. Who got the correct answers? You can check your own work. Alright, so I made the rules bigger for you. For the past, we use there were and it was. For now, anything that's happening right now, we use there are or it is, or in the present. Okay, let's practice. So this activity is also found in your student's book on page 5. I just cropped it so that it will be much bigger. So, number 2, circle the correct word. Number 1, in the Jurassic period, there were or was many dinosaurs. What's the answer? Okay, were many dinosaurs. So we use were because we're talking about dinosaurs, plural, and in the past. Number 2, but now there are or were not any more dinosaurs. What's your answer? Okay, the answer is are, but now there are not any more dinosaurs because it's talking about now or present. Number 3, today there were or are lions and zebra in Africa. What's your answer? There are lions and zebra in Africa. It's talking about now. Number 4, it was or is hot in the Jurassic period. It was hot in the Jurassic period or it is hot in the Jurassic period. When was Jurassic period? Was it in the past or now? Okay, was. It was in the past, so the answer is was. Let's proceed to number 3. Choose the correct words, are, was, and were. So, let's read first. This is a picture of T-Rex. They're blank, many of them in America and Canada. It blank very big. It had a lot of teeth. It blank very dangerous. It ate many other dinosaurs. They're blank no more today. So let's complete the short paragraph with are, was, and were. Okay. This is a picture of T-Rex. There. What's your answer? There were many of them in America and Canada. Next, it. Are, was, or were. It was very big, so we use was for it, singular. Next, it had a lot of teeth. It blank very dangerous. Answer. It was very dangerous. But now not anymore because there are no more dinosaurs living in our present time. Last sentence. It ate many other dinosaurs. They're blank no more today. What's your answer? Correct. There are no more today. So you can check your work or you can just copy this one in your book. And later on, we're going to have another activity. Alright, so for your writing activity, I want you to open your workbook on page 5. So this activity is just the same with the one in your workbook. So you can just pause this video so that you'll have more time to answer in your book. We have here part 1, circle the correct words. Was, were, or is, was, are, and were. Just choose one answer only. Then part 2, write the missing words. Here you can answer was, is, are, or were. Alright, so please take your time and just pause this video. Okay, so I guess you're done answering your work. So let's check. You can use a red pen to check your answers. So for part 1, circle the correct words. There was or were dinosaurs. The answer is were. Number 2, there was or were meat eaters. What's your answer? Were. It's plural. Meat eaters. Number 3, there were or are elephants in Africa today. The answer is are. Correct. Number 4, there is or was dinosaur in the museum. The correct answer is. 5, there were or are 4 plant eaters in the museum now. Were or are? Answer is are because it's now. Number 6, there is or was a tiger in the zoo yesterday. Correct answer is was. Part 2, write the missing words. There blank 3 underwater dinosaurs at the museum. Answer are. Number 2, there blank a big dinosaur. There was a big dinosaur. 3, there blank an elephant at the zoo. There is an elephant at the zoo. Number 4, there blank some animals at the zoo. There are some animals at the zoo. So please count the scores that you got. The perfect score is 10, 6 plus 4. So you can write the score on your book. Alright, if you got 10, congratulations, excellent work. So don't forget to answer the activity in your Google form. Alright then, that's all for now, class. I hope you learned something. So see you next time. Please stay safe and stay at home. Bye-bye!